welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Happy Sunday, everyone. For today's video, I had intended on having a couple thrift flips for you. However, time just kind of got away from me. One of them ended up taking a lot longer than I had anticipated. So I decided to set those aside because I really am kind of running out of time and do something a little more simple. So I decided to go with a thrift haul for today. My husband and I went out last Sunday, and honestly it was a pretty good day for us. We found quite a few little vintage items. They've all been kind of rolling around in my car since then, so I figured it'd be kind of nice to get them out of there, unpacked, washed, and out onto the floor. So that's what we have for today, and I'm just going to dive right in, you guys, and get started on the first item. So we found this beautiful glass salad bowl, I guess, for $7.99. I just love it. I love the color, and it's a nice size. So I went ahead and grabbed it. It's super heavy. I found this little cutie. I looked it up on Google Lens. I don't remember exactly what it said, but I know it's vintage. It was $5.99. I just thought it was really pretty, something to put out kind of after Christmas. I like to do some blues and whites together after the holidays, so I figured this would be a great piece for that, so I grabbed it. I'm still on the lookout for good Christmas. It's getting harder and harder to find as the season is coming to an end, but I did find this little metal deer. I thought he was cute. I like the little holly on him. He's a little dirty, definitely needs a bath, but he was only $2.99, so I went ahead and grabbed him. I loved this little candle holder. It looks very kind of vintage. It's got all its rhinestones, but they're all very kind of faded. But I just liked the look of it and the silver, so I went ahead and grabbed it. It was only $1.99. Then of course there was this little angel bell. She was a little more expensive than I would have liked. She was $3.99, but she's heavy and she's cute. And even if I don't make a ton of money on it, I just thought it'd be a really nice addition to my Christmas vignettes for the end of the season. So I grabbed her. I found these gold balls. I don't know how vintage they are. They're kind of a champagne-y brushed gold. I really liked the color, so I went ahead and grabbed them for 99 cents. So worst case, I will just put these on my own Christmas tree. Then I found a couple good spring things. Can't believe we're already talking about the spring, you guys. It's 3 weeks and Christmas will be here. It's crazy. This was $2.99. It's just a cute little basket. I figured some moss in here, maybe some eggs would be cute for Easter. This would be an adorable addition to, your bathroom. You could put some little, your loofah or whatever in here, but just a cute little metal basket for $2.99. I found this and I love this. I think it is just gorgeous. It's so pretty. The colors, the little lid comes off. I felt it all over. I didn't feel any chips in this at all. It was $5.99. It is vintage. I can't remember exactly. I think it's Delft. But I grabbed it just because it's so beautiful and in perfect shape. So this will make a great addition to a springtime vignette. And of course, bird cages for spring are always a hit. So this one was $4.99. It's not fancy, just relatively plain, but for $4.99, I just like having a few of these around in my decor. I'll put some birds in it or something to decorate it up for spring, and it'll be super cute. So I went ahead and grabbed it. And I love owls. This little guy caught my eye. It was $2.99. He's very heavy. I'm not sure. It says Allen's floral container, but in really good shape. So for $2.99, I went ahead and got it. This is another beautiful piece that we found. Again, it's in really, really good shape. No chips that I could find. This is another Delft piece, and it's vintage, I think. And so I went ahead and grabbed it for $4.99. This piece was actually in one of the carts that they were wheeling out, and I saw something white sticking out, and I chased them down to see what was. My husband and I were honestly on our way out the door when they rolled the cart out, and I chased them down to see what they had, and this was in there. I just love this picture. It was $4.99. It's absolutely beautiful. It's very embossed heavily with all these beautiful flowers. It's got a couple marks on it right here. I know I've seen online how you can get rid of those, and so I'm going to look that up and see what I can do to mitigate that, but I just absolutely loved it, so I went ahead and grabbed it. And they also have the 2 matching cups that go with it. This one has a little itty bitty chip in it, nothing too major. It almost looks more like a manufacturer's defect because it does have the glaze over it, and these were $1.99 each, but I thought it would be so cute to have these all displayed together in a vignette, so I went ahead and grabbed them. And I'm always a sucker for a chunky candlestick. This one was $4.99, which was a little expensive, but I think this was a half price item, so I think I got it for $2.50, which makes it a little bit better. But I love the fact that this has a little bit of an opportunity down here for maybe a transfer or something like that, just to decorate it up a little bit better than just a plain candlestick. So we'll see. Found this little picture, and again, I'm pretty sure I looked this up and it's vintage. Love the chickens because it goes with the other thing with the chicken on it, and it's got that blue. It's not blue and white necessarily, but it will definitely go in with that whole kind of scene, and it was only $3.99, so I went ahead and grabbed it. And then sticking with the vintage chicken theme, I found this cute little picture. It's adorable. It's got this little detail on the side here. It's got the little chicken on the front of it. I love the color. It's in great shape. And it was only $2.99, so I went ahead and grabbed it as well. Then like Santa, it's a little cookie jar. This guy is in really, really good shape as well. He is originally, I think he was from Sears. Yeah, he's from Sears. I know he's a little bit older. I'm not sure if he's truly vintage, but I just liked him. He's got kind of an older look to him, which I like. And so I went ahead and grabbed him. He'll fit just perfectly in with one of my vignettes, and I won't have to do a single thing to him, which is always nice. And he was $5.99. I don't buy a lot of blankets or knit things just because a lot of them are so snagged or stained, but this one was in really good shape. It's a perfect size for a lap blanket. I liked the colors. Some of them are just a little too wild for me, but this one I really liked. I thought it was pretty, and it was only $5.99, so I went ahead and grabbed it. All right, this bowl caught my eye. I'm not sure that it's actually copper, but it's got a nice hammered look to it. It's in really good shape and it's pretty. I just like it because I think sitting on a shelf, it'll draw the eye to wherever I put it, which is always a good thing. It's free advertising basically. So I went ahead and grabbed it, and it was $4.99. Then this big bowl, again, I just really like these big bowls. I think this would be a great one for sourdough. It's very, very heavy and thick, and it was $4.99. And I looked it up, and it's a vintage bowl. It's got that kind of cabbage leaf embossing in it. So I thought it was just really kind of cool. So I went ahead and grabbed it. And then there was this, you guys. This was $7.99. I don't know, I might have overpaid for it. But I mainly got it because it will look so cool just in a vignette, maybe with some, like a brandy decanter and some crystal glasses in it. I don't know. I'm going to look it up online and see if I can find some good ideas. It is so old that the handle is just completely worn. The metal's all intact. It's definitely got a little bit of warp to it in places. It's not in the best shape, but it's old, and I liked it. I thought it was just kind of old and crusty and kind of cool, and so I went ahead and grabbed it. And I thought even with maybe some old flour sack or gunny sacks with the writing on them. I have a few of those. Anyway, just something I figured I'd use it somehow. So we'll see what I come up with. But for $8, I went ahead and took a chance and grabbed it. I know it's kind of older because the back of it says the Crescent on it, which the Crescent hasn't been around for I don't even know how many years. But I absolutely loved it. It's very dirty. It's an old Christmas picture. But it's not overly Christmas, so I really think this is one you could probably get away with leaving up all year long. The tree is very Christmassy, but there's really not a lot of snow or anything else like that in the picture. I am not going to do anything to this other than wash it and put it out. I really like the frame. It's beautiful. The mat really isn't my taste, but I'm sure one of my customers will love it. So I paid $9.99 for it. So even if I can just double my money for cleaning it, that will work. So I went ahead and grabbed it. And that is it for today, you guys. I think I found some great stuff. I was pretty excited for a few of these items. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to get them all washed up and priced and out on the floor as much as I can. But I hope you guys enjoyed everything, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and then just hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then of course, don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know, did you have a favorite item in today's haul? I always like to hear what you guys think of some of the items that I grab. And then let's see, just a quick reminder, I carry a full line of paint and products here in the cottage and online at my website, and that's www.theeclecticcottagespokane.com. I carry DIY paint and products as well as Sweet Pickins milk paint and products, which artichoke and cherry pie are the colors for December. They are 35% off on my website. And then I carry Roycycle Treasures decoupage papers and of course some redesign with Prima. And I just got to preview the brand new release that's coming, I believe at the beginning of January for Redesign with Prima. And let me tell you guys, not only is there a new product that is awesome, there are some really cute things in there that some of you are absolutely going to love. So I can hardly wait to show that to you. So just be aware at some point there will be a product reveal with all the new Redesign with Prima products. But anyway, again, if you want anything like that, just check it out on my website. It's listed below in the description box as well. And then coming up for Thursday, I will get the two items. Actually, one of them's completely finished. The other one just needs wax on it, and then it'll be done. And then I want to put a third item in there, and then I will have a thrift flip video for you guys on Thursday. So I hope you'll join me back here for that. Until then, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your weekend, whatever's left of it, and of course beginning of the week, and I will see you back here on Thursday. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. Bye.